Hi, I'm Luke from GeoDomeX, and today I'm going to be showing you how to anchor your GeoDomeX to the ground. We've had plenty of questions from customers on how to do this, so today I'm going to be going over
the tools you'll need, choosing a location to anchor your dome, how to anchor your dome on a wooden decking base, how to anchor your dome to other ground types, and troubleshooting any problems that may arise.
The tools you'll need to anchor your GeoDomeX are as follows: a tape measure, 5 meters minimum, pencil or marker, screws and raw plugs or heavy-duty ground pegs, hammer or drill. There are two primary methods to secure GeoDomeX to the ground. The first involves screws and raw plugs and is used for wood and concrete base types.
You'll need screws of at least 50 millimeters in length and may need raw plugs depending on the surface you're drilling into.
This method is rated the strongest and will withstand wind speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour. The second method uses heavy-duty ground pegs just like these. This method is used to attach your dome to grass or gravel and can withstand wind speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. Depending on your ground type, you'll either need a hammer or a drill. The first step is to choose a suitable location for your dome. You want to make sure that the location that you choose is flat and level all the way around. This is to ensure that the door functions correctly. You want to make sure that the space that you've chosen is 3.55 meters square minimum, as this is the external diameter of the dome.
In regards to height, GeoDomeX is 2.1 meters tall, so you want to make sure that there is no overhanging branches or anything in the way of this space.
We are now going to go through the step-by-step process of anchoring your GeoDomeX. The first step is to find the center of the dome. We do this so that we've got a reference point that we can measure from, ensuring that the dome is circular all the way around.
To do this, measure 174 centimeters from the inside edge of the dome, as this is the internal radius accounting for the thickness of the panels. Repeat this from a second point of the dome, giving you the center point where the two lines meet.
At this point, we drive in a screw. The next step is to screw in the door frame of the dome. We do this first as it is the only non-circular part and we want to ensure that the door will function correctly.
To do this, lock your tape measure at 174 centimeters. Hook the tape measure over the center reference point and measure to the outside of the door frame. There, you can drive in the screws.
Now repeat that on the other side of the door frame. Next, take the tape measure and swing it round till you reach the next bracket. Drive in a screw halfway through the center hole, like so. We're now going to take the tape measure and swing it round to the opposite side.
It's really important when you're anchoring your dome that you alternate to each side of the door until you reach the back of the dome.
I've now gone round and got a screw in each of the brackets and my dome is feeling really circular. At this stage, you can drive in the screws all the way down and remove your reference screw from earlier. For concrete, the method is exactly the same. Find the center point and measure out to each of the brackets. However, you may have to drill a pilot hole first. For a lawn or gravel, you'll need to use the pins shown earlier and drive them in with a mallet or hammer as shown. If you have any issues with the door not functioning correctly,
simply unscrew the door frame and move it back and forth to adjust the angle of the door frame. This should help to align the door frame, allowing the door to slide more easily.
Another quick fix is to check that your internal dome diameter is 348 centimeters exactly. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You can find GeoDomeX on all social media channels, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below.